Okay, I had a question. The question was, my shifting linkage snapped and now I can't get it started. Well, this is, if you call it that, this is a rocker, forward reverse for the hydraulics. You come underneath, you need to grease it. There doesn't seem to be a grease fitting on the deck lift rod. If I move this, yeah, that's it. If I move this back and forth, one rod end, the other end back and forth, another rod end directly to the transmission, or hydraulics, whatever you want to call it. And then behind that, attached to it, and this one is the electric brake. No, sorry, it's not an electric brake, it's a cruise control plate. And this is your cruise control plate. Right here, that's an electromagnet, works just like your PTO clutch. And when you hit the button, it magnetizes against this plate, which moves with your foot pedal. And it just sticks it wherever you hit the button. That's how the cruise control works. But there's that part of the question. Now this did quit, and it wouldn't start. I checked everything. Came out to be this switch. I don't like buying parts, so I waited way too long, and just got this for replacement. Looks like Toro part 957489. That's the one that worked. This one has 6. I don't know what the other ones are, but that's the way this one works. And there are 3 sources of power to it, so if something isn't working, check your 3 sources of power. There you go. That one, I think, was an aftermarket, and it's junk. But, okay. Gotta sand these because they destroy the belts. I like to use old sandpaper to do that with, and then don't use belt dressing without gloves. And then I put it on a rag and I get the belt dressing all over everything. I did this in the fall, but I didn't do this and I regret it. Along, like I said, with that new belt up there, you gotta take all this off to change the belt. It's rusted already because the pulleys are rusted. But there you go. This is a rocker. There's only 2 connections, one there and one on the transmission. All I can say is when this didn't start, it was that PTO switch. And now there's a new one on it. Okay. Have a good day.